Oh my God.
Wagwan.
In 5 days,
Big up
talk like
yourself.
Jamaicans, almost 100K view. Amazing.
Yeah, big up to the fans them. I see me, I couldn't do this without all fans worldwide. Salute.
Congratulations.
Precisely.
Artist Craig Kirkland, is it okay to now call you my buddy?
Stop right there, so. You can't call me your buddy. No, that is incorrect. If him ask me another question, class I go dismiss. You hear what I say, miss? If him say another word, class I go dismiss. I want to listen, I go and get this. Whenever time you say, a man insert his thing, the female them sinting and she work it and reverse it and bubble upon it. In a Jamaica, the ladies call it body or cocky.
Okay, sir. You don't have to get so cocky with me. I feel you.
You know, feel me? And a woman alone get my cocky. Oh, I'm to your friend. Lady ask the question, them. You only have maybe 3 or 4 questions. Come and now go do that something here today. You get what I say?
Sorry about that. In Jamaica, females with multiple men is called.
Badass.
If she acts like a fool.
Yamed.
A man having many ladies.
Gyalis.
A man ladies take for fool.
Oh, gyali that.
What would a female normally say if her boyfriend sees her with another man?
She normally just say, he's just a friend. And sometimes them go as far as to say, oh, they don't worry about that because him not so straight.
And what would a man say if his girl sees him with another woman?
Oh, baby, come on. Why I behave this way? Me never tell her say I'm a cousin. Sure no.
As a Jamaican, are you a cheater?
Mr. 3 or 4 question, right? Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Me have something for go deal with, but I am not a cheater, right? No cheating.